Good morning everyone from San Salvador, El Salvador. We got in 2 days ago and we've just been kind of relaxing ever since, unpacking. And today we're actually leaving to the beach. We're going to Costa and we are going to spend about 4 days at the beach, and I'm so excited to show you the house that we are renting. It's incredible. I'm hopefully going to do a house tour right when we get there before the family arrives. Enjoy the beach. We're going to enjoy the food that's around there, probably get some coffee, go on some adventures around the area, and just enjoy our time off. And yeah, I'm just gonna take you all along with me. I love to do these beach videos because I really love being close to the ocean. So if you're new here, my name is Catherine and I'm an artist. I share a lot of art content, travel content, and more recently ASMR content. And I come to El Salvador usually once or twice a year because my husband is actually from El Salvador and he lives in Canada with me. He went to school. We both met at school together, and his family all live in El Salvador. So we come, we visit each year. It feels honestly like a second home to me. So really excited to spend time with the family and just get out and enjoy this beautiful landscape. So we are packing. Hopefully this small bag will do. And then obviously I've got my camera equipment, toiletry bag, and then just some more clothes because you can never have too much. I wanted to show you all. So the last time I was in El Salvador, I painted this painting. I might have shown you on one of the previous videos, but I have an oil painting here that I may bring back to Canada with me. But we are basically ready to go here. We've got our bags packed, and I wanted to show you also.
Buenas. Pasen adelante.
Hey everyone, so we made it to our house on the beach, and before the rest of the family gets here, I want to give you a tour of the house. We are quite literally on the beach. We can see the ocean from the front deck area, so I'm going to give you a really quick tour first of our room and then kind of the grounds where we're staying because it's so beautiful and the sun is hitting perfectly. So I'm gonna flip the camera around and I am going to give you a quick tour of this place. Okay, so when you drive in, there's this really fun trampoline, so I feel like the kids are going to absolutely love that. And we are just filled with palm trees here. It is absolutely beautiful. So I did a quick walkthrough to show you all when we first got here, but let me continue the tour. Okay, so that is the main house over here, but it is separated. So there are 3 rooms on this side, each having their own bathroom. Okay, so I'm gonna show you the first room. We have already cleaned our room. Let me see if I can turn this light on. Okay, so this is room number 1. I believe this is a queen size bed. And then we've also got a bathroom in here. Hello. Okay, so bathroom, and then this is the view to the outdoor space. Just incredible. Okay, so we're gonna keep walking here. So if we continue along here, this is the room that we chose for ourselves. Put on the light here. We've got a big couch, some nice paintings on the wall. We are just a little bit closer to the beach. And then we've got a nice queen size bed here and also a bathroom. Okay. And you can also enter through the main house in these 2 doors as well. And this is the 3rd bedroom from this side here. So another beautiful space, a couch, and another window facing the ocean. And I mean, we have to stop and look at this incredible view here. Okay, and this is gonna be, I believe, the kids' rooms. So we've got nice bunk beds in here, and then again, their own bathroom as well. Okay, let's go to the main part of the house, which actually I'm seeing this for the first time myself. Okay, so I'm going to just take you around this front part first. I mean, check out this view. So here is this pool that kind of wraps around. I'm really excited to get to this area where there are some hammocks and just places to chill. You can lay out by the pool here. And it's such a quick walk down to the beach. There's Mark. And let me just go through these sliding glass doors to show you this main house area. So, another seating area here. And then we've also got a beautiful living room and a chill area here with these beautiful glass sculptures. Just stunning. And this is all open air as well. So this was one of the doors that I was looking at from our room. Okay, so we are back outside. What an incredible pool area here. Really nice chill spot over here. There's Carolina. I don't know if she'll say hi to the vlog. Okay, so walk over here, and I'm really excited about this area. So again, just a couple more chill seating around here, which is perfect, and this looks amazing. So I have a feeling like we are going to have lots of dinners here. I mean, check this out. So we've got 1, 2, 3 hammocks here, and that is not all. There is also seating here as well. Hey everybody, so I just went for a really amazing swim in the ocean. It was so hot when we got here. I just needed to cool down, and then I finished that off with a swim in the pool. It was just the right temperature, so I just had a shower and freshened up a little bit, and we are going to meet up with the family outside, probably hang out in the hammocks a little bit, and then we are going to eat some pupusas tonight, I think, and then tomorrow we have some fun activities planned. We're probably gonna wake up and do a morning swim, and then we're probably gonna go explore, maybe see if we can find that abandoned house that I shared a few videos ago, maybe, I don't know, 2-3 years ago. And then we are probably going to get some really good seafood for lunch, and yeah, we'll just see where the day takes us. But I'm going to take you all with me as we head outside and chill by the hammocks. All right, everyone, so I'm gonna take you with me as we walk outside now and see the house in the evening. I'm just gonna bring you all with me. Here is my room. And we're just gonna head outside. So it is still crazy hot out here. I thought it might cool down a little bit, but yeah, it's still super hot. So we're gonna head out and walk through this area here, and I'm gonna turn the camera around, but you can see behind me we have the lights on, which has been really nice. And actually that reminds me, I need to hang up my bathing suit to dry. Okay, so I'm gonna walk over here and head over to my husband, who's hanging out at the hammock here.